Today I will guide you step by step through unboxing and assembling the Engwe E26 all-terrain e-bike. The process is simple, and in just around 30 minutes you will have this awesome e-bike ready to hit the road. Let's get started. Begin by removing the rear hack and the accessory box, setting them aside. It's wise to keep the main box for a few days in case you need to return the bike. Inside the accessory box, you'll find a user manual, spare parts, aluminum pedals, tools, a bell, a battery charger and zip ties. After you've unpacked everything, begin by removing the front wheel and set the wheel aside for now. We'll begin by attaching the handlebars. Loosen the bolts with the 4mm hex key. Pop off the top cap. Carefully bring the handlebars into place, making sure those cables aren't all twisted up. Slot the top cap back on and tighten those 4 screws back up. Prepare the display, then carefully flip the bicycle upside down. Remove the temporary axle from the front fork and the caliper protector. Loosen the nuts on the front wheel to prepare it. Carefully slide the front wheel into the fork, place the washers and nut onto the axle, and tighten the nut using a 15mm wrench. Repeat this process on the other side, ensuring the wheel spins smoothly without any noise. If you hear noise, the front brake may need adjustment. Loosen the 2 screws on the caliper with the 5mm hex key. Spin the wheel and align the caliper until the noise stops and the wheel spins freely. Once aligned, securely tighten the 2 screws. Next, attach the kickstand as shown. Then flip the bike upright. With the wheel and the handlebars installed, align the front wheel and the handlebar. Once aligned, securely tighten all the stem screws. Adjust the handlebar height for optimal comfort. And remember to replace the rubber cap. Ensure the handlebar is securely fastened by tightening the 4 top screws. Adjust the display to your preferred position and securely tighten it using the hex key. Use a 5mm hex key and a 10mm wrench to remove the placeholder screw. Position the front fender and insert the headlight into the fork using the main screw. Use the wrench and the hex key to secure the components upright. Securely tighten the 2 side screws to hold the fender arms in place. Before attaching the rear hack, secure the rear mudguard by fixing the 2 side arms in place. Remove the 4 screws from the rear fork, position the rear hack and attach it using the same screws. Prepare the rear light for installation by removing its 2 bolts. Then position it and tighten the bolt securely. Use zip ties to fasten the cable and trim any excess for clean finish. It is pedal time. The pedal marked L goes on the left side. Screw it in by hand counterclockwise, then tighten it with a 15mm wrench. Do the same for the right pedal, but screw it clockwise. Attach the bell in place using a hex key as shown. We are almost there. Inflate the tires and power the bike to test the system. Your new Engwe E26 is all set and ready to ride. Enjoy!